videos here. Ooh, what's happening now? Anything but boringness. Living on the edge is what we're doing. So, well, I just had Phoenix picked up, so unfortunately we didn't get the roof rack quite finished, but that's we're going to drop it into them next week. We had it finished, but then we went to fit it with rubber protection. It threw everything out a bit and wasn't quite happy. So where are we up to? Xavier Rudd, Janjuk Moon. Janjuk is down south coast of Victoria. It used to be not far from, well, down the road a bit from the old Warrnambool stomping ground. But yeah, I like it. It's his new album. He's got some sweet harmonies in it. Yeah, I don't know the words yet because I haven't listened to it enough. So this one's called Stony Creek. It's got the vibe, baby. It's got the vibe. Anyway, what are we talking about? I turned off the main lights because, oh, the damn strobe effect. These UFO lights are fantastic for lighting. Absolutely awesome lighting, but you've got to have the GoPro and cameras set a certain way for it to not be flickering like a strobe. So, okay, now's the... I just thought I'm going to spend... Well, there's nothing left of today, but tomorrow I'm going to get stuck into this and do the final round of bodywork. So yeah, gonna run the block over all this. It's probably a little bit behind. Oh no, the roof was actually really good on this one. So I'm about to start hitting it with little boaty. So yeah, this is my big 3M block. And I shall be blocking it in such a way, yeah, to see if I've got any highs and lows. Not a show car, but it'll be nice. Still be nice and flat. So then I'm going to do the same with all the sides, check them all out, and then put the final coat of primer on. So if I can get that done tomorrow, then there's just, I can start spraying colour from the inside out. So I've already painted the actual panels. They're all sort of ready to go. So that's a cool colour, eh? So yeah, just got to get the rest done, and it will be one happy 63, I think it is. So we've got a little bit of finishing off to do underneath. Like all the IRS conversion is done, but we have to, you can see Andrew's cut this out here. He's got the custom engine mounts already made because we're running the bay window, mustache bar, yeah. So, bit of custom work on there. We've got the fully rebuilt front out here. This has had the, you know, it's all dusty. It's been in storage for a while, but it is all painted nice and gloss black. So new ball joints, new tie rods, steering arms, adjusters have been welded in. So all we've got to get for this is a disc brake kit. So we want to keep the standard wide 5 wheels. Obviously not with 4-wheel drive tyres on it like it was there. So we want a disc brake kit that we can bolt up to that and put the standard wheels on. Actually, that's a bit like what's on Daisy down there, the 68. It has aftermarket disc brakes with wide 5, and yeah, that's the way to go. So we'll have more modern suspension, more modern braking. It doesn't need a booster or anything like that. The braking will be fine. Yeah, so it's time now to get this thing finished and delivered. So I think the owner's gonna then, you know, wire it up and just take it home and start, you know, doing a few bits and pieces on it. So that's cool, but you know, it's not going to get done if it's not done, so it's time to do it, and that's what we're doing. So I'm going to run the block. I'll probably put a bit of guide code out, especially on the sides here. I'm going to run the block on everything and see if there's anything obvious, because now's the time to get it. Right, this is all in epoxy here, so that's going to be sanded down, filled if we need to anywhere. We shouldn't have to do much. It is very straight down the sides. Remember, it's not a show car, but still, you know, it's just worth having a bit of pride in the job. So yeah, that's the story on Mooi Meisje. So yes, beautiful girl indeed it will be. So we had to drag it up from the backyard, and of course, yeah, she flung a bit of mud on there. So won't be working on this next week. I'll just be into it tomorrow, and then we go back to normal scheduled programming. So I need to get Norma and Daisy finished, not to mention the Beatles. So heaps to do, and I have to get the first round of body work on Minty Violet. Yes, so that's what's happening. Okay, that's all for now. We will catch up with you on the next video. Bye.